Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Shopify store with eBay, making it easy to manage products and sales across both platforms in 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to seamlessly integrate your Shopify shop with eBay, giving your business a powerful boost and reaching more customers without any headaches. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to go to your Shopify admin page. This is your control center for everything related to your store. So if you haven't logged in yet, just head to shopify.com, enter your credentials, and you'll be looking at your admin dashboard. You should be familiar with this area if you've made changes to your store before, but if you're new, don't worry. It's designed to be straightforward. The admin page lets you handle products, orders, and, in this case, the vital integrations that help your business grow. Once you're in Shopify admin, look to the left menu and click on Apps. This is where you'll find all the tools that extend the functionality of your shop, kind of like adding accessories to your phone to make it more useful. In the Apps section, there's usually a search bar at the top or near the page. You'll want to type Marketplace Connect. That's the name of the powerful app we'll be using to create the bridge between Shopify and eBay. Typing it in brings up options, so make sure to select the one that says Marketplace Connect. You might see other apps, but this one is officially supported by Shopify for multi-channel selling. Now, click Install on Marketplace Connect. Installation is usually quick, but sometimes it might take a moment, especially if your internet is a bit slow or if Shopify is running updates in the background. Just give it a second and you'll see a progress bar or confirmation when it's done. What the app does is add automation and syncing features, so you don't have to manually update your eBay listings each time you change something on Shopify, which would be a nightmare for any growing store. After installation finishes, Marketplace Connect will present you with connection options. This is where you connect your eBay account to Shopify. The app usually guides you through this step with clear prompts, but let me break it down so you know what to expect. You'll see a button like Connect eBay Account, or maybe just Connect Account. When you click this, you'll likely be prompted to log into your eBay seller account. If you're already signed into eBay in your browser, this step might be automatic. Otherwise, just enter your credentials as you normally would. Let's clarify why this integration matters. Once your eBay account is connected, your products on Shopify can easily be pushed and synced to eBay, helping you reach eBay's audience without double work. Pricing changes, inventory updates, and new products can be reflected instantly, so your customers always have accurate information. And don't worry if you're nervous about changing anything. The app typically lets you preview listings before they go live. If you don't have an eBay account yet, you'll need to sign up for one first. But if you already do, simply click Connect Account and that's it. You've built a bridge between the two platforms, and you're ready to take your business multi-channel. And there you have it. Connecting Shopify with eBay in 2025 is simple, but so powerful for your growth as a seller. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions, even small ones, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And remember, subscribe to this channel for more straightforward tutorials to help you level up your e-commerce game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.